Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change profile picture on Pinterest. Maybe you are tired of seeing the same old picture on your Pinterest account and you want to create a new look for your account. So today I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, to change your profile picture, tap on your current profile picture and in this window, tap on this Change Profile Picture button. You will be directed to your device camera roll where you can select your new profile picture. If you don't want to use a picture from your camera roll, you can also take a new photo by tapping on this camera icon. But for this video, I will choose a photo from my camera roll. Once you have selected your new profile picture, tap on this done button to start uploading your new profile picture. After that, you can now see that I have successfully changed my profile picture on Pinterest. It is important to note that you should not use someone else's photo without their permission. It is considered plagiarism and can lead to legal issues. Always make sure to use your own original photo or properly sourced images. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change profile picture on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change profile picture on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.